Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Cryptocurrency Group Pro Charts. New channel, folks. We're looking at NVIDIA right here for Monday morning. This is where we're sitting with NVIDIA. You can see back here at the 786 Fibonacci, it holds strong support here. But then right around when it got to 52,000 roughly, 53,000, 53,000, it got rejected here. So we have strong resistance at this level here. So right here, strong resistance at this level. And you can see where it got shot down, found support right at the Fibonacci 236. So this support level is a pretty good support level. Right around 33,068. So we know we got good support down here, and we know we got resistance down here. So what I'm looking for on this chart, that this 50 EMA right here, this 50 EMA, to see if it gets rejected Monday morning at the 50 EMA. You can see where the Fibonacci 0.5 right here got rejected. So Monday morning, we're going to see if it's going to gap up for NVIDIA. If it gaps up, most likely be above the 50. And then you could see this Fibonacci right here, the 0.382, 142 mark, will be another resistance here. So this level will be another resistance points if it gaps up at 142.79. 142.79. If this becomes resistance at this level here, you can see where we'll bounce back down to this wick right here. So that'll be right around the Fibonacci 618. 618. So we'll give that support. So that's how I determine where the stock is going for the next day. So this box here represents the most volume, trading volume in this box here. So this box could act as resistance or support. So we gap up, this box, this top line here, or what this top line here, or within the box, will be support if it gaps up. But if it gaps down, this will act as resistance, gapping down. So then our 786, so that will be resistance. Right here, this is where this candle, you can see right here, this candle tested a couple times, broke through, tested, but couldn't close below it. So this is resistance as we found support here. But as we continue to come down, our next level will be at the 128. 128. So this will be support. This level right here, 128. So let's see. So that will be support right around 128.86. 128.86. Because we know this is where the most volume is. And we find support here on top of this box. We know we got a resistance up here. 142.79. 142.79. And this year be support level 139.08. But now we gap down, we know that this Fibonacci 786, this red line, will act as resistance. As you can see what happened here when it came down, it was acting resistance. And then we have our support level right here. But if this fails, which could be a weak support, so we'll put this yellow or orange indicating weak support because we broke through. Our next level of support is 128.86. 128.86. So now I can remove the Fibonacci's out here. I can extend this line if I want. And now for Monday, that's how I'm getting my range, how I'm trading this stock for Monday. So this will be support if it breaks through. You can see where this wick broke through and it came down. So it's acting as resistance. But like I said, we gap up, it's going to be support. So let me just do this orange too, caution. So be support. Our resistance level is 143, 143. If we continue to come up, we're going to find support levels or resistance levels right around here. Put that yellow. So we're going to find resistance, as you can see back here. Resistance, support, broke through, resistance, broke through, fell, resistance. So that's how I'm going to determine where I'm going to place my order for NVIDIA. Right now, we're hitting resistance here. Like I said, if we gap down, we're coming down to support level 128. We'll come down to 132 to 128 for next week. If we gap up, we know we got a resistance at 143. Then we got weak resistance at 147. But then we know we got strong resistance at 152. So this box here is where all the action's happening. You can see it stayed in this box here. So a lot of action. So if it gaps up out of this box, we're moving up. If it gaps down, we're moving down. If it doesn't gap at all, then we have to watch this box. We need to see it breaking 139. 139, then we know we got resistance at 143. And on the flip side, if it gets rejected Monday morning, we know we have support at 133.62. And it's this level. This doesn't hold, we know we're coming down to 128.86. That's this level where these candles broke through but bounced. So we got two bounce. So this is pretty good support. But even back here, you see where it's resistance, support, resistance. So this, it's acting pretty good with this line here. So we know we got our entry point at 128.86 for my option. I'll be doing a call at 128.86 at 128.86. If it falls down and if it goes up, I know I'm gonna wait before I even short it right around 137 to 152 before I do a put. But in here, I wouldn't place any options in here until I see what's going on. I mean, we don't know what's going on with this box. There's a lot of volume here. A lot of people might do a call, and if it comes down, they're losing out. But if they get lucky and moves up, then yeah, they're in the money. I'm not here to gamble. I'm here to see what's going on. So before I place an order, I want to see Monday what happens here. You know, if it goes up, yes, above this line here and this finds support, yeah, I'll do a call. But if it gets rejected and it comes down below this box, 133, yeah, I'll do a put. Because I know from 133, I'm going out to 128. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how I figured out the movement of the stock. It's a little time consuming, but it's worth it to maximize my dollar. All right, folks, if you like this, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Have a great day. Thanks.